Hello. Today, there's a very scary day. You see right here? You see it? See what this says? It says, there says a tornado warning. And we're in the bathroom. Now, Grandma says she saw a tornado. There is a tornado. And I thought there wasn't. Because I'm hoping there is. It just has to be something away from us. Alright, so I'm in the bathroom recording a video. See, I have my phone and if I get bored, I have no food. I should have brought food. 1 second, guys. I'm going to take a risky turn. Well, I'm good. Because it might come. See you if I'm alive. Alright. Anyway, guys, I have a few things. I got this, a little snack, one of my favorite healthy snacks right here. I don't have any other. I have some hot Takis, my pleasures. And my food. I have 2 juices, and that's all I got. That's all I grabbed. I don't know if I could have other things. Well, the door is now open. My dad helped. Now, what do we do? So, also guys, if I die here, if I'm in the bathtub, you know what's happening. Because my dad said if the cars are moving, like something like that, moving by themselves with no one in it, they go in the bathtub. Alright? Now, this probably has no connection. YouTube probably doesn't right now. I don't know. Well, anyways, I'm pretty sure today is, what day? Let's see. Calendar. Alright, it's the 20th then. Alright, today is the 20th, and the time is 3:14 p.m. And there is no service on my phone that I got for my birthday. You see my Moltres is right on the screen. You see the Moltres? I don't know why I took a picture. I could change it, but is that really important right now? No. So, today, hello guys, it's your expert, Giselle the expert at tornadoes. I hear the rain is settling down right now. You hear it? Don't mind that. That's just someone in the kitchen. I don't know. Can you even hear the rain right now? Yes, it's settling down right now. But I promise you it's going to get high leveled very soon. Maybe it's stopping. I don't know if that's actually still the rain. Let me look. Alright, just look and it's still raining, but it's not raining as hard as it was like a couple minutes ago. So, let's see. I can hold my hunger a bit. I only have 3 items. I only have 2 snacks. I don't even have food. I just have snacks. So I'm going to have to like sip at these or something. I don't know. Definitely juices. I don't have many of them. I only have 2. So let's see if there's anything here. I feel something. Hey, what are you doing there? Answer me! Now, I'm going to let you talk to the camera. Bye. For now. No talk. Right now. No watch. Alright, guys. I just came back because I heard there was a tornado. I kind of want to see it. Because I never seen a tornado. Have I? I think I have. I forgot. Anyways, I'm back. I'm just going to come by once a year. Or a couple of times. But I'm not going to come back always. So I just want to tell you, stay inside your bathroom, I guess. Just do that. Stay inside your bathroom if you live around here. Where you live in the... They live in the country. So if you live in the country, near this place, near Redmond Road, you better stay in your house and take shelter. I don't want you guys dying. I don't want to die either. So. Like, whoa, you're not going anywhere. Anyways, you're now my new friend I'll talk to. Maybe we can even play some games. But what could I play? Such a weird place here. Well, what? We could play some tic-tac-toe on an app. I'm pretty sure that's on Grandma's food. Alright, now what? Let's see. Where is it? Let me see it. It's right. Wait, it's right. Sorry, you hear things in the background. Anyways, App Store. There it is. So, what are we trying to find here? A game? Alright. Yes. Let's see. Well, I could play Pokemon Go, but that's not how I'm going to play. I'm not going to even play that at all. It's just stupid. Why would I play Pokemon Go in here? Stupid. Can't play YouTube. Even the TV went off. Or it didn't. It just said the warnings. Wait. 1 second. Guys, I think it stopped actually. I think it's gone. I'm seeing the sun right now. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Come on, I'm not. That's it. I want to make a promise. Look at it. It's perfectly fine. It doesn't look rainy. It doesn't sound rainy. And the sun is out. I think we're safe. 7 minutes in. And I think we're safe. But, we need to wait a bit. Until we should. Wait. Let's just wait until it's the appropriate time to come out of this bathroom. So, I think I'm kind of hungry, so I want to have my first snack. If I can be that. Well, I have to eat it. It's really kind of useless. But anyway, the peanut. Ooh, it's nice and healthy, but don't eat the whole pack. Because I know it's so delicious. If you don't like it, I don't know who you are. Peanuts. I don't like almonds with this. I used to. Because I thought they tasted basically the same. But they don't at all. This one is the nice one. Peanuts, not almonds. I only need one bite. I actually hear nothing. I think we're safe, but don't you think that yet. This video is up to like 11 minutes, so that means it's continued, but I don't know what it did. I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes, maybe seconds, I don't know. 1 second. Guys, we need to go. Let's see. Go. Is it good? Is it good right now? Do you see our son? I'm gonna try. Show you the beautiful sun of land. Look at it. Look how rainy it was. So rainy I wasn't even touching the floor. I just touched the bed and it was wet. Look how wet the bed is. Look how wet. Look how wet it is. You're lucky you don't live here if you don't. But I'm lucky. I'm luckier than you because I didn't die. I had to use all my luck for that. You thought I died. I would never break my neck. Jokes on you, I cannot break my neck. Instead, I will do it on camera. I'm a ninja. I think we're free from it. I think we are. But that, just because the rain stopped, doesn't mean the tornado stopped. It doesn't sound windy outside. It doesn't sound rainy. Usually, right? Am I right? It's been 11 minutes, but it's still playing, right? So, anyways, don't you usually hear the wind? Something like that. Heard the wind. Well, even if there was a tornado, I didn't even see it. It's kind of disappointing. But at the same time, kind of lucky for definitely lucky for me. Even if I have a cross on, I wouldn't even be able to beat a rage game. Actually, I have been a couple levels in Dante Dash. Yeah, I'm a player, but on the pad. Also, I might be a bit. Also, if I haven't told you, I'm gonna get the new GoPro Hero 7. Yeah, and that should come out when the next month, maybe, or it should come. I made a square. Hello. 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 Sorry. All right. Look at my beautiful face. Look at it. Look at my beautiful face. It's like a horror movie. Doesn't Imagine saying this over you? Let's see this. How do you do that move? Wait, that's it. That's good. Alright, just pretend you just woke up. That would be scary, wouldn't it? Hi. Wanna play a game? Bye.